Good morning, my name is Gavin Knox. Today is the 7th of February 2022. This is a generation 15 system currently running at 30 amps. It's for a small truck. It's a particularly good, particularly efficient system. This is a generation 15 system, as I said before, and the gas production is quite awesome. It's actually running at 25 amps, you can see there right now. But the amount of gas production is quite significant. Now the system is generation 15. Everything's mounted into a steel enclosure box. You can see it's nice and secure here with tie down bolts and brackets across the top. Our recycling container here. The water is transferred from the bottom of the recycling tank into the base of the cell through the pumping system, which you can see I'm pointing to now. And that then pumps the water through the pipe over here, which goes to the base of the cells through a number of jets. The gas then collected, or the water and gas collected from here, pass through this pipe and goes back to the tank where it's recycled, and the gas comes off the top. The gas then comes through this pipe here back to the bubbler, which you can see over the side here bubbling away wildly. I can be contacted on 040 317 7183. Our webpage is hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au or https://hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. This is the new generation 15 system. We've modified the power supply significantly to produce even greater gas production with more effective voltage coming to the cells. It's a secure unit, measures 43 centimeters long by 30 centimeters wide by 30 centimeters high. It can be closed down and locked down, as you can see with the locking down tab. And the power supply is on the mount on the back. I haven't connected the power supply to the case yet, because I don't know which way the client wants the power supply to be connected, left or right. Okay, it can be contacted on 040 317 7183. This is a generation 15 system designed for any vehicle greater than 4 litre capacity or 4 litre to 8 litre capacity, designed for work vehicles and small trucks. Okay, hope you're having a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.